Critical mass for September 8th, 2012. There are days you go running and it just doesn't kick in. It just doesn't feel good. And today was one of those days. But I realize it's hot as hell. It looks like there's a storm coming and I can't cool down. Yeah, I got the fan on me and it ain't doing shit. I'm actually putting it closer because I can't function. So, yeah, I started running and I just felt like ass right from the get-go. But I kept hearing Mark Eden in my ear going, go for it, go for it, go for it. And even an old friend, well, even Pop-Tart, I think I heard in my ear going, go for it, go for it, go for it. And yeah, I mean, I do this routine every goddamn week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday I lift. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday I run. Sunday is a day of rest. So my friend Mark Eden has given up all carbs. So he gave me a macadamia nut Cliff Bar. And you eat it, and halfway through you're like, this really isn't doing it for me. So I think it's time to stop eating this. But I wanted to put something in my system because lately I have been, working out in the morning, and then I don't eat my first meal till 1 or 2 o'clock, and I'm dragging ass. And I've had a headache since last night. I still have a headache, but I realized that I'm sweating so much in this apartment that I just can't, I'm drinking a ton of water, and I feel like I'm just dehydrated all the time. So that could be the case. But, normal people run an hour and 14 minutes, when they feel like shit, right? Don't they? Don't they run that long? Oh, no, they don't. They run like normal people, not like psychos like Jonathan who have to get his 7 miles, and even though if I don't know if my nano's calibrated 100%, which I have to redo, but I just have to be out there running like a bat out of hell. So I watched Indiana Jones Raiders of the Lost Ark last night, and yeah, I kind of was losing interest. I mean it's a great movie, don't get me wrong, but I miss my TV. I miss my regular shows. I miss Louie. I don't know when it's going to be on demand. I'm hoping it'll be on demand very soon so I can watch it because it's killing me. It's killing me slowly. So what else did I want to talk about? Yeah, I'm dealing without cable, trying to read magazines. Trying to read more. That's my goal right now. Let's read more books. I read the Michael Caine book. I think I told you, Acting for Filmmaking. Very good book. And I have some other books about filmmaking that I should read. I have a Michael Jordan book. I have Moneyball, which I've tried to get through like 10 times. I have The Alienist. I tried to get through. Cavalier and Clay. Tried to read that forever. And I have a ton of comic books. I have a client that's a huge comic book man, and he gave me about 100 comic books, which I kept, and I gave the rest to there was a cool security guard named Phil who I miss at my old place, and I gave him a lot of the comic books. I give him bags of it, actually. So yeah, I hope I'm off to teach a class for the moms today, but it looks like it is about to start pouring any freaking minute now, so I don't know if class is going to happen, to be honest with you. Yeah, we might not have class today. I might have to text her and tell her, looks like a storm is coming. So that's what I'm going to tell her because I'm not riding over there if it looks like it's about to start pouring. So, yeah, I might be going back to bed at 9 o'clock this morning or watch something on the telly. Well, I don't have any telly, but watch something on my computer, on my DVD player. So football's tomorrow, big game, first Jets game of the year. I've already people giving up the season. It's funny because I met a guy in the supermarket and I tweeted this. I said, "What do you think this year?" He goes, 12-4. I go, "Come on, seriously?" He goes, 12-4. And I was like, okay, because there was a putz I met in last year, the Eagles. He picked them to go 16-0. I go, seriously? He goes, I don't see him losing a game all year. What did they finish last year? 8-8. So, you know what? 12-4 to me might translate to 10-6. I'll take 10-6 this year. I don't know. I gotta watch my JETS tomorrow and see what happens. So, and I'll be watching at a sports bar because I have no television. Which sucky, not goody. So what else did I want to talk about today? I don't know. Jonathan has a lot on his mind, I guess. Does he? He has some stuff on his mind. He's trying to figure it all out. Understand where he's going from here. Yeah. It's a journey, folks. It's a freaking journey. So, what else did I want to talk about? I'm trying to cool down from this run. I'm looking outside, and it looks like it's gonna fucking pour. And I gotta go to 85th and East Side on my bike. I could get soaking wet. Well, I got my work boots, so I can wear my work boots over there. And I'm debating what to do. Just debating. So, I don't have a lot to say this morning. You know, Mark Eden says I drift on in and out, and I just wanted to get something on paper today. So I hope you're doing well. Yeah. She says, let me check the weather. She's in Seattle, Washington. I'm here. My boss. She's not here. So, interesting. She's going to check the fucking weather when I'm looking out my window and I'm trying to tell her what I see. So, yeah. And it's 5:45 in the morning over there, so who fucking knew? Who knew? Yeah, who knew? Boom, boom. Just got rid of all these emails. Okay, now I'm just babbling. Critical Mass signing out. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day. Or maybe even later today. I might do a couple today. I haven't decided yet.